This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Johnson Controls introduces air-to-water reversible York-brand R290 heat pump models to the European market. By J.O. Haraldson. Published February 12, 2026. Johnson Controls is introducing its air-to-water reversible York-brand YAS propane heat pump models to the European market, offering configurations that can supply cooling, heating, or simultaneous cooling and heating, and deliver up to 65 to 77 degrees Celsius, 149 to 171 degrees Fahrenheit, hot water depending on the model. Using scroll compressor technology and axial fans, the three models, YAS SCWP, YAS SCWP WA, and YAS SCGPS, operate in ambient temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. The units, which use 6.1 or 8.1 kilograms of propane, offer heating capacities ranging from 86.7 to 139 kilowatts, 24.7 to 39.5 tons of refrigeration, and cooling capacities from 66.3 to 110 kilowatts, 18.9 to 31.3 tons of refrigeration, supporting residential, commercial, and industrial applications according to Johnson Controls. The scroll compressors with orbiting spirals are optimized for heat pump operation at high compression ratios, Johnson Controls said. Depending on the model, the compressors are arranged in tandem or trio configuration and paired with electronically controlled airflow on the source side, which enables excellent seasonal efficiency ratios. Either slash or units, two of the YAS models produce heating or cooling, with one version optimized for colder climates and the other one for higher ambient temperature conditions. The YAS SCWP model for colder climates offers heating capacities from 88.9 to 112 kilowatts, 25.3 to 31.8 tons of refrigeration, with a SCOP of up to 4.29, and cooling capacities from 66.3 to 89.2 kilowatts, 18.9 to 25.4 tons of refrigeration, with an EER of up to 2.51. The wide ambient model, YAS SCWP WA, offers 88.2 kilowatts, 25.1 tons of refrigeration, of heating capacity, with a SCOP of up to 3.77 and 105 kilowatts, 29.9 tons of refrigeration, of cooling capacity, with an EER of up to 3.55. Simultaneous unit. The YAS SCGPS model offers three operation modes: cooling, heating, or cooling with heating. When operating solely for chilling, the unit offers cooling capacities ranging from 72.1 to 99.1 kilowatts, 20.5 to 28.2 tons of refrigeration, with an EER of up to 2.73. When operating solely for heat, the unit offers heating capacities ranging from 86.7 to 116 kilowatts, 24.7 to 33 tons of refrigeration, with a COP of up to 3.92. In simultaneous mode, the unit offers cooling capacities ranging from 79.5 to 110 kilowatts, 22.6 to 31.3 tons of refrigeration, and heating capacities ranging from 101 to 139 kilowatts, 28.7 to 39.5 tons of refrigeration, with a total efficiency ratio of up to 8.68. Australian application. In 2024, Johnson Controls received compliance certification from the Queensland Resources, Safety and Health RSH statutory board for its York-brand YAS large-scale propane chillers and air-to-water heat pumps. Working with local officials, the manufacturer replaced the existing HFC air conditioning unit in a Windsor shopping center with two roughly 300 kilowatts, 85 tons of refrigeration, capacity R290 chillers, according to Ricky Dew, Product and Technology Manager of Industrial Refrigeration at Johnson Controls for Australia and New Zealand. Installed in August 2024, the project became Queensland's first approved propane chiller deployment, according to Dew, with final regulatory approval granted in December 2024. Quotable: every unit is fully assembled and factory tested and supplied with the appropriate refrigerant and non-freezing oil charge, Johnson Controls said. As a result, installation only requires positioning the equipment and connecting it to the hydraulic and electrical supply lines.